So welcome everybody, and today you will visit one of our biggest industry here in Shanghai. So this is basically plumbing and irrigation system, pipes, fitting, elbow, and so on. So come with me to visit. So first, these are our samples, what we produce. So you can see that there are different size, different design, different color, according to your standards. Wanted to show you the overall view of our industry. So you can see that we have a lot of stocks. You will see the steps, the raw materials, and also all these machines to produce elbow fittings, pipe, and then you will see our different molds. So these are our stock of raw materials. So you can see that we have different kinds of raw materials that will allow us to make the product. So if you take a look at this machine, you can see that thanks to this machine we can produce some raw materials that will allow us to make pipe, elbow, and fitting. So this is where we produce some pieces that we saw earlier. So these pieces will be will allow us to make some hand products. So you can see that thanks to this machine with the mold, we will produce this type of product. So this kind of machine, you can see in Tomeex, one of the most important things for our product is the precision. So you can see that this machine is very precise in order to make the best shape for our products. To produce elbow, as you can see here. So our molds have different size and different design, as you can see here, fittings and elbow. So this is where we stop our molds. The molds are very important because that we make the design and the shape and so on. So we have different kind of molds, so we can adapt to every standard and every demand of our customer. It's in this room that we test our product in order to see if they are conform or not. So you can see our machine. We test the normal product and the standards as well. So this is the machine where we produce our pipes and well pipes. So we can produce pipes from different kinds, such as ADPE, PVC, and so on. So you can see that we ensure a non-stop production. We have a lot of machines depending on the size and the material. This is a machine where we will mold the pipe. So you can see how it works. So the pipes are really flexible. So you can see that depending on the mold, the pipes are different. So you can see here that this is a machine for pipes and machine for smaller pipes. So this is where we ensure the packaging of our pipes in order that they will be protected by the delivery. The packaging of our product are very important. So you can see that the security is one of our priority. So you can decide to put your logo or your brand on the package, and depending on the size and of the shape, we can customize your package.